morning, good afternoon, everyone. Our team name is AUPP Sentinels. My name is Vayokji.
My name is Innovate. And my name is Saksin.
Our robot's name is Smart Robo Farmer. We bought this robot to help Cambodian farmers to farm.
And I'll show you an example. So, if the robot sees the color yellow, and when we press the button, it will toss the yellow fruit inside the ripe basket. And then when it sees the red fruit, which means it's unripe, it will turn right and then it will toss it into the unripe basket. This machine is not just a fruit picker, it can be a plow machine.
When you want it to turn left or right, you just click the left button. Turn left. And if you want it to turn right, just click the right button.
Hello, my name is Simsakaman. My name is Simsakaman. Team name is the AUPP Desert Eagle. So we built this car. It's an amphibious car. On land, it acts like a mini truck, and on water, it acts like a boat. And we built this because we want to save people from drowning in the water. Disasters like tsunamis or flash floods can happen, so many people get injured. So how it works is this motor will rotate a gear connected to many other gears that will spin the main wheel. And for the propeller, this pulley up here has a rubber band connected to another pulley that will spin the propeller. And when we play the code, it will act like a normal car, but when I put it on water and press this button, the wheel will stop moving and the propeller will spin. So I'm going to put it in water, and when I press this button, the propeller will spin.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Eric. My name is Kintanita. And my name is Solita. Our team name is Robotics. And our robot name is Temple Conversion Robot. The purpose of our robot is to help to fix temples from breaking and being too old and will break down. Because sometimes when temples are too old or crack too much, it will collapse. And this robot helps preserve our temple for many generations and also preserve it for our Khmer culture and others. So this color sensor, it detects the black parts. So if I put my hand here, it will go forward. And if it senses that the wall is soft, then it will send out an alert.
Thank you everyone for listening.